Hello guys, this is the second video of reformatting the dashboards. So today we are going to reformat the numbers here, and we may maybe reformat the headers here and the bar chart here. So let me state what is the issue here. So basically we have the line chart here and the bar chart here and the numbers that shows the scale of the bar chart and the line chart. So basically we can compare that what category has the most views at the latest date and what category has the most videos at the latest date, and we can see the trend by the line chart and the bar chart. So the problem is that they are still numbers. And when we see the dashboard here for the first time, we had to see the actual numbers here. And this is not the array of data visualizations. So let me show what we are going to create today. So this is what we are going to create. So basically the numbers is here as well, but it has a color. So if the color is dark or the color is more kind of dense, it basically shows that the number is large. So for example, the blue color for views are showing the how large the total views are. And basically the blue is related to the blue line chart here. And the number is matching here, so 99.9 millions is basically at the same as this is the same as 99,856 kilo views. So basically this is what I want to create, and this is not a array of data visualization because we have to see the actual number. This is not an array of data visualizations. So how can we do this? So because as you may know, let me reformat this. We are already using colors for the bars and line charts. So in order to put colors on the numbers, basically we have to, as far as I know, we have to create a new worksheet here. Let me put this. Or we may duplicate the sheet here, views by categories. This is the same as this worksheet. And okay, we don't need this one and this one as well. And and we don't need this one and we don't need this one. Okay, and we don't want to have the day as well. Okay, so what we have to create is, this is a small tip actually, minimum one, and we need a small calculation that is just blank. Okay, let me show how to create this kind of worksheet. Okay, so basically how to create this dashboard, this worksheet is quite simple. So basically we need, in this case, we have two measures, that is total views within categories at the latest day and total number of the videos within the category. So we need for 2 times 2 mean 1, and we have to use dual axis. Let's say that all should be bar chart. Okay, and actually we don't need the media name. So the tips is that let me edit the axis. This should be 0 to 1. Let's say that this is going to be views, and we don't want to have the major tick marks, so it should be none and none. And let me apply this. It should be like this: views with no tick marks, and then set the size at the max. No. Oh, sorry, it should be min 2. Okay. And we are going to have the views at the latest stage, and we are going to use the this calculation views at the latest stage with level of detail calculations. Because if we use the table calculation, let me put this at the text. The same. And actually, if we so basically because it doesn't have any how do you explain that? After this view, we use the table calculations here, and we calculate the so we calculate the window sum and some number of views, some views, and at the starting from last. Basically, this is showing that at the latest point. So this calculation is starting from the latest point and ending at the latest point. It means that basically this is calculating. This calculation is using the data that is at the latest day. So we need the information of date to use the table calculations, but in this format, in this worksheet, we don't have the information of the date because we didn't put the date. We didn't put the trading date as date. So my message is that the table calculation doesn't work in this way. So we need to use the level of detail calculation versions of the views at the latest day. Let me put this alignment. Let me put this center. Okay. Let me use the entire view. Let me put the numbers at the colors. Okay. So yep, size. Okay, so it's almost perfect, but you may see that okay, for the color format, let me put it's for me it seems a little bit too vivid, so let me put 70%, and then you will see the problem. So mean one, the first mean one, it is also a bar. So and you may see the bar here. This is from 0 to 1, so we don't want to have that. So let's reduce the restricted bar. Let's use the text, and then you may see the text behind that, and then you have to use the blank at the text, and then here we go. We don't have the text. We don't have anything. We have nothing behind the numbers here, and so this is the way. This is how to create this kind of data visualizations. So basically, we want to have we need min one and blank, and numbers you want to show. And you have to reduce the min one because we don't have to have the min one and none, okay, and then nothing here. And we have to do the same thing. Bar size setting should be marks. And we want to have the number of records here. Label. No, sorry. We want to have the number of videos at the latest day because we want to show the number of videos at the latest day. And we can put it in color, and so we use the gray bar chart for the number of videos. So let's use the gray color. Gray. Okay. And let's make 70%. Okay, it axis. How did I name that? Okay, number of videos. Okay, number of videos. Maybe sharp mark could work. And it should be 0 to 1. And now we don't have to have the ticks. And we have to put the blank here, and we have to make it text. And we don't have to have min one title. Delete that, and none, apply. Okay, nothing's here. Let's make them centered. Okay, so basically this works, and let's put it at the dashboard. So okay, this one views by category number 2 because we duplicate that. And then okay, let's delete the title. Fit height, maybe entire view could work. Category is aligned, sorted in the same way, so I think we don't have to have this one here, and we don't also have to have this one because we have the same informations at the left. And the problem is that maybe we don't have to have this as well. And the problem is that if we have the headers, it doesn't align at the same height. So yes, we see that. And we don't have to have the field labels, hide field labels for rows. And then we don't have to have that. Okay, it's almost interesting. Category is not sorted in the same way, so sort. Okay, so we have to change min one to views at the latest day and apply. Okay, so music is at the top and entertainment is the second. It has the second most views. Okay, so okay, so it's almost. And then in the next video, I think I will explain how to format the dashboard in this way. So see you then.